Hello, it's the how-to guru, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do text replacement on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So, you ever send a text message to somebody and you always do the short letter form like OTP, which means like on the phone, or HRU, which means how are you? Today, I'm going to show you how to change that in your phone. So when you press those three letters when you're sending a text message, it automatically pops up to make it a lot easier for you to text. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Settings. You're going to scroll down to General. Then you're going to scroll down again to Keyboard. Once you go there, you're going to see text replacement. You're going to press text replacement. And then, as you can already see here, I have like 2 text replacements already. See, HRU is how are you, and ONW is on the way. So we're going to make another one. So in order to do so, you just press the plus sign in the top right corner. So you would type the phrase in. Let's just say, what you doing, right? You would type that in, and then the shortcut will be WYD, right? Then you will hit save, right? Now you can go to your text messages, and you can go down and you can type WYD, and see at the bottom it'll say like what you're doing. You can just press that and it'll automatically do it for you. So with this, you can do any type of text replacement that you want. You can make it anything that you want to make it. It's just a shortcut for you, right? Let's do one more. Right, so we're going to do this one on the phone, right? Again, OTP, which means on the phone. You're going to hit save. You're going to go back to your text message, and you're going to do the same thing. OTP on the phone pops up. You can hit it that way, and it'll make it a lot faster for you when you're text messaging on the iPhone 16. This is the how-to guru. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that share button. Make sure you subscribe, leave your comments, hit that bell notification. I will be dropping videos daily, so stay tuned. Peace.